In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete portfolios in Asana. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or simply removing those portfolios that are no longer needed, I'll guide you step by step, ensuring that you can do this effortlessly and confidently. First, let's start by navigating to the left panel of your Asana dashboard. This is where you'll find various tabs that help you organize and maintain your projects. Here, you want to look for the tab labeled Portfolios. Give it a click, and this will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the portfolios you currently have under your management. Checking out this list is a good way to quickly visualize all the various portfolios you have set up within Asana. Now, from this list, you need to identify the specific portfolio that you want to delete. Once you've found it, click on that particular portfolio. This action will open up the portfolio in detail, allowing you to view all the relevant contents and settings. Opening the portfolio is crucial because it allows you to double-check and ensure that you're about to delete the right one. It's always a good idea to confirm that this is indeed the portfolio you wish to remove from your account. With the portfolio open, you need to direct your attention to the top left segment of your screen. Right next to the portfolio title, you'll spot a drop-down arrow. It's usually just a small, unobtrusive arrow icon, so be on the lookout for it. Clicking on this arrow will unfold a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to the management of your portfolio. From this drop-down list, you'll want to find and select the option that reads Delete Portfolio. As you click on this, it's worth taking a moment to reflect on the implications of your action. Deleting a portfolio is irreversible, so make sure that all the data within is something you are ready to part with. If you're certain, proceed with selecting Delete Portfolio, and just like that, the portfolio will be removed from your list. And there you go. You've successfully deleted a portfolio from Asana. It's always a rewarding feeling to be able to streamline your workflow and keep your workspace organized. Remember, maintaining a clean digital environment can significantly enhance your productivity and focus. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore our other tutorials on optimizing your Asana experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!